In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a host on Turo. Let's dive right in and get started on this exciting journey of sharing your car with travelers while making some extra income. To begin with, it's essential that you meet the basic requirements. This means you need to be at least 18 years old, although some regions might require you to be 21 or older. You'll also need to have a valid driver's license to ensure you're legally able to drive. Your car, too, must meet Turo's eligibility standards. This includes being less than 12 years old, although exceptions exist for classic cars. Your vehicle should have fewer than 130,000 miles, or about 209,000 kilometers, on the clock. It must also have a clean title, meaning no salvage or rebuilt statuses are acceptable, and crucially, it should be in excellent mechanical condition. Lastly, your vehicle must be located in a Turo-supported region, such as the US, Canada, or the UK. A handy tip is to check Turo's vehicle eligibility page to ensure your car qualifies before proceeding. Once you've checked the requirements, head over to the Turo host page by visiting turo.com/host and start by clicking List Your Car. If you don't already have a Turo account, you'll need to create one, otherwise just log in. Now it's time to enter your car details. Be precise when entering your car's make, model, year, trim, and license plate numbers. It's important to upload clear and high-quality photos of both the interior and exterior of your car to present it in the best possible light. Also, don't forget to highlight any special features your car may have. Think along the lines of a convertible top, a performance package, or maybe a navigation system. Following this, it's crucial to set your price and availability. Turo offers two pricing options. You can either go for automatic pricing, where Turo dynamically sets the daily rate, or you can manually choose a rate yourself. Set your desired pickup and drop-off times, define any delivery options, and specify the minimum trip length. Here's a pro tip. Consider using Turo's suggested price range to help attract your first bookings more rapidly. Now let's talk about protection plans. You'll need to choose one of Turo's protection plans for hosts. There's a standard plan offering a balanced approach between coverage and earnings. The premium plan, however, gives you higher protection but with a smaller payout percentage. Alternatively, there's the 90 plan, where you keep 90% of the trip price, but you'll be responsible for covering any minor damage yourself. Each of these plans includes liability insurance and guest screening, adding an extra layer of security for you. Finally, it's time to publish your listing. Review all the details to make sure everything is correct, and when you're ready, simply click Publish. Your listing should go live within minutes, and from there, you'll receive alerts whenever someone requests to book your car. That wraps up our guide on becoming a Turo host. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to turning your vehicle into a source of income. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting!